How to scan QR code on your TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to scan your QR code on your TikTok account easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok, click on it. Once you are there, click on those three lines up there and click on setting and privacy. Now you're gonna find QR code, click on it. And here this is your QR code. You can tap also the background to change the color, but doesn't matter anyway. You can just find a phone and scan this code, and this is how you find your code on Q. You can share this code or you can download your QR code wherever you want. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.